Hi, it's Christopher Vincent with the Sotheby's International Realty Canada in the Canadian Rockies, bringing you the December 2025 market insight for Canmore and the surrounding Bow Valley communities. As we enter December, the market is following its typical seasonal pattern. Active listings eased month over month across nearly every category, which we expect heading into winter. More importantly, we've pulled back significantly from the peak inventory levels we saw in October. Let's start with the residential market. When we looked at detached and semi-detached townhomes and apartments together, the segment is sitting in balanced territory. But the story varies by product type. Detached and semi-detached homes remain in the most challenging segment for sellers. Months of inventory have improved from the roughly 12 months of supply we saw earlier this fall, but these homes are still firmly in a buyer's market. Buyers have more leverage, more selection, and more time. Townhomes and apartments continue to behave differently. Demand is steady and pricing remains resilient, with both average and median sale prices holding steady compared to recent months. Entry-level and mid-range product continues to outperform higher-priced detached homes, which are seeing longer days on market and more negotiation. In the land segment, inventory was unchanged month over month, and there were 0 lot sales, which is normal for December. Lot activity tends to reappear in February through late spring as construction planning ramps up. Short-term rentals saw another month of contracting inventory and remain in a seller's market overall. Sales slowed, which is typical for December, through February, but investor sentiment remains strong. Newer builds and well-located units continue to draw interest, with buyers positioning themselves ahead of next summer's peak revenue season. So what's the big picture? The market is recalibrating, not retreating. Detached buyers are benefiting from improved selection and negotiability. Townhomes and apartment sellers are seeing stable conditions and firm pricing. Investors remain active, especially within the short-term rental segment. We expect inventory to begin rising again in February and March, bringing renewed momentum to the spring 2026 market. If you have questions about your property or considering a move, I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching. You can see all the graphs on our blog at canmorebanffrealestate.com, and be sure to subscribe here for the monthly market updates. See you in 2026.